today we are studying D.C. Datta's textbook of obstetrics. So, the first chapter is anatomy of female reproductive organs. In this chapter, we will study external genitalia, mons viridis, mons pubis, labia majora, labia minora, clitoris, vestibuli, perineum, internal genitalia, vagina, uterus, and fallopian tube, ovary, muscles and fascia in relation to pubic organs, pelvic floor, perineum, pelvic fascia, pelvic cellular tissue, female urethra and urinary bladder, pelvic urethra and breast. So, we are studying anatomy of female genitalia. So, the external genitalia, internal genitalia, the organs are broadly divided into external genitalia. This is the external genitalia, and internal genitalia and accessory reproductive organs. The external genitalia includes vulva and pudendum. Vulva and pudendum. So, the visible external genital organs, जिनको हम सामने से देख सकते हैं, उन्हें हम जेनिटल ऑर्गन्स कहते हैं, मतलब जेनिटल एक्सटर्नल जेनिटेलिया कहते हैं. सॉरी. फॉलोइंग द mons pubis, labia majora and labia minora, hymen, clitoris, vestibuli, urethra. The vulva consists of and bounded by mons pubis. Posteriorly by vulva area is covered by criticized stratified squamous epithelium. Mons viridis, mons pubis, mons viridis. So, mons pubis laterally, anteriorly by mons pubis. Okay. Labia minora, labia majora, clitoris, vestibuli, perineum. It is described later. Blood supply artery branches of internal pudendal arteries, chief brief labia transverse veins, nerve supply, lymphatics, and development of perineum. We can see the perineum is this total part is called perineum. And the next topic is internal genitalia. The internal female genitalia include vagina, uterus, fallopian tubes and ovary. These vagina, uterus and fallopian tube and ovary, these are internal genitalia जो कि अंदर पाए जाते हैं. हमारे Internal organs, external genitalia, vulva, and internal genitalia, vagina, because ये अंदर है vagina. Relations interiorly, posteriorly, structures, blood supply, lymphatics, nerve supply, development, uterus, and body or corpus, isthmus, cervix, fallopian tube, uterine tube, oviduct, ovary, structures, muscles and fascia in relation to pelvic organs. Pelvic floor is a muscular partition which separates the pelvic cavity from anatomical perineum, जो अलग करता है pelvic cavity को from anatomical perineum से. Structure in relation to pelvic floor, levator ana. This is the muscle of ovary, means vagina. This is perineum. This is perineum. Anatomically, perineum is above the interior surface of the pelvic floor, below by the skin between the buttocks and this pelvic fascia, pelvic cellular tissues. These chapters. Female urethra, urinary bladder, pelvic ureter, breast. This is the breast.